This guy, Ludwig Agren, has broken the Twitch subscription record after a 31-day stint. Previously held by Ninja, well-known Twitch streamer. This guy has been streaming nonstop for 31 days, and he's broken the website's record for having the most paying subscribers. So it was a subathon, and everybody who subscribed added another 10 minutes to his stream. And so you can see how that can roll out of control. And eventually leading up to 31 consecutive days of streaming. That is the peak, I guess, was 282,847. Actually, no, that number is still climbing. The previous record set by Ninja in 2018. Man, all the way back in 2018? That was the Fortnite Drake stuff, 2018?
Yeah.
Ow!
Felt so long ago.
Anyway, his number was 269,154 subscribers. Ninja tweeted out congratulations to Ludwig, which is cool. A heck of a record, no doubt about that. Third place is way behind at 114,000. These are paying subscribers. Well, you know how that stuff works on Twitch.
Yeah.
So that's
Congrats,
no small feat to get people going on that, and it turned it into a challenge over here. There are 3 different tiers of subscriptions, so nobody knows exactly what this means revenue-wise for Ludwig. But he's obviously very, very happy about this, I presume. And on his final day of streaming, he actually donated $5 from every new subscription to charity. So that could be a couple of bucks too. But he's definitely, he's got a few bucks now. He was joking around saying he's swimming in cash. I presume that's the case. That's a lot of paid subscribers, will he do?
Yeah. Man, streaming for a month? What would you be doing?
It's kind of terrifying. Yeah. No, I agree. It's kind of terrifying. But he can take all the cash he's swimming in now and head over to that Coinbase IPO, what do you say?
Yeah.